That one ya are the coolest thief me ever hear about. Because a man steals his grandmother's saving and the judge now ramp with him people. Me want to forgive me on a comment on this one. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First and Empress Menen Timbaland. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Rastaman on the YouTube and TikTok. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If you have not subscribed or followed the Rastaman, leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen, because them Jamaicans, yeah, they're different. Them totally different. Because I said a story a few weeks ago, but I did not get to cover it because I had some other appointments out of the studio. But a man steals his grandmother's life savings. An elderly woman is reeling from the loss of $1.5 million. A portion of her grandson has stolen from the bedroom. I had bad experience with the bank. That's why I keep the money in the house, the woman told senior parish judge. Sanchia, Burrell in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish court on Thursday, charged with housebreaking and larceny, is Tremaine Emmanuel. How come them boy are with Bible name always bad? Emmanuel, who's confessed to the stealing of the amount of $500,000 of missing money from a grandmother, whatnot, in the house where he also lived. Me rotted, what a boy wicked. Granny a put him up and the boy thief out $500,000 out of the whatnot. Well, if you had get caught in the cookie jar, you are going to be held accountable for the contents of the cookie jar, said the senior judge explained. Madam, I don't think it's safe for you to keep this boy in your house with your money. It's dangerous, Burrell added. The attorney at law said Bernard submitted that his client be admitted to bail, adding that he was interested in settling the matter through resolutive justice or restorative justice, I don't even know why him thief the money. Me and him don't have no problem. I just want it back, the elder woman said, expressing a willingness to resolve the matter. But Burrell grew concerned, highlighting that if Emmanuel was granted bail, he would reside with his grandmother. But I don't want him back at the house. He needs to find somewhere else to go, Granny said. Now the judge concurred. The matter was adjourned until July 2nd for the alternative address of the issue. A bail application is being heard then. He was remanded in custody, locked up in thieving, rotted. Can you believe this, people? 1.5 million missing. He said he only take 500,000. But the judge said, boy, from me catch you in the cookie jar, you're going to be responsible for the entire amount that was missing. I cannot believe the man live with him granny. Granny has saved the money. She said she had bad experience with the bank. Me no know. Granny don't like it long line them. You are gonna take. And this thieving boy actually dig out Granny food out of the whatnot. Granny must shock. Imagine him have to go to hell. Ladies and gentlemen, me glad Granny did brave it tell. The judge said, remand the boy. They said they're going to file a bail application next court date. Me wouldn't let him out. Imagine this. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. It had to be Kingston, the thief.
Man, a deep roads, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep road. Fire,